Hello everyone. Today I decided to paint a waterscape, a seascape more exactly. My country is under a state of emergency for more than 2 weeks because of novel coronavirus, and I was thinking about the feeling of freedom that the sea offers. I miss a lot summer days and sea time and also long walks. Today I used the cotton 350 grams Moulin du Roi paper. I started as usual with wet on wet watercolor for the sky part and first stage. I decided to use only cold colors as blues, cerulean, violet, green, and black. This is another painting where I used pastel as I wanted a more intense and dramatic atmosphere than watercolor can offer. I usually like to paint a lot of details, but this painting has almost no details and all the atmosphere is delivered by colors only. After the watercolor dried, I started to apply the pastel. If you will decide to use pastel in your paintings, make sure to use more colors at a time and blend them very well for smoother effect. The only detail you see in the painting are the boats and some birds. I used white gouache and white acrylic paint for highlights and I applied them with a knife palette. I decided to use the knife palette as the color it applies uneven and offers a nice textures and when it's dry. I love pastel a lot, and I think the only difference than watercolor is that pastel cannot offer transparency. I think these mediums are goes very well together. From all the topics I usually approach, I think that seascapes are the most atmospheric. When people look at the seascape, they don't try to find the details. They will always try to feel the breeze. So don't forget, paint the atmosphere, not the subject. I have full real-time video of this painting on my Patreon page, so I invite you to support my channel and to be my art patron on patreon.com. I have different rewards depending on how much you would like to pledge. Before letting you to watch the rest of the process, I invite you to check out my website and I remind you that I offer 20% of everything until the end of April with the code SPRING20. I will add the code in the video description so it will be easy to use it. Please let me know in comment section what you would like me to paint or narrate here. Thank you for watching. Bye.